Hi, Michael Palmer here. This is for my Workout World group. Missed class tonight. For all the other Spartans in the Spartan groups and Be Strong Bootcamp. I'm going to go through some quick things real quick you can do at home, seeing that you missed class tonight. Okay? What I'm going to do for a workout tonight. Every minute, on the minute, 8 minutes, 7 squats with a press, 7 push-ups, 7 burpees. How do we do that? Set your clock for 1 minute, times 8. Finish all 21 reps as fast as you can. When the next minute starts, do it again. Go for 8 minutes straight. Once you're done, take a quick breather, do another 8 minutes. Okay? So, real simple, real quick, easy workout. You can do it at home. So enjoy your workout. Stay strong.